Well, hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. Dr. Chucky here again. Now, guess what guys? Something amazing to tell you. Just an amazing experiment that I've just been reading about in a brilliant book called The Challenge of Chance by Alistair Hardy. You might have heard of him. He was an evolutionist who believed that telepathy was skewing evolution and changing it and causing it even. And also a few others, Arthur Koestler and Robert Harvey. Arthur Koestler, I think he was famous in various fields. Now here's the thing guys, do you think that intention can skew aims, can skew results, can skew what you get out of life? Can intention change the laws of nature, change the laws of the universe? Now I'm fascinated about lucky habits, as you know, that's what this channel is about. Can luck alter the laws of physics? Now, you know, there's this brilliant character in DuckTales, and his name is Gladstone Gander, just a brilliant character, and physics seems to be altered around him because he believes he is lucky. Now, do you think that's real? I'm going to give you evidence right now that you can skew physics to make yourself more lucky in life. Here is the evidence. Essentially, there was an experiment done in the 60s. It's called the Levi and Andre experiment. Working at the Institute of Parapsychology, and they had a randomizing device. It was controlled by a radioactive decay, and it was calibrated such that it switched the light on and off at equal intervals every 24 seconds. Now, what happened was, when there was nothing under this heat lamp, the intervals were absolutely equal in time. Now, when they placed baby chickens under the heat lamp, and the baby chickens, obviously they react to the heat lamp, and so therefore one would expect they would skew the result quantum mechanically. Now what happened was, when they put the chickens under the heat lamp, they loved the heat, they were happy, they were grateful. When the heat lamp switched off, they were like, ooh, 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 this is bad, this is bad, this is bad, right? What do you think happened? Well, that so-called random device, which should have been giving a 50-50 output, instead started giving something more like a 55% on and a 45% off. That's right, the laws of physics had changed. And the results were even slightly more dramatic, apparently, slightly more dramatic when they used eggs. So what happened was, they tried putting a hard-boiled egg under the heat lamp. Nothing happened. It was still a 50-50 result. There was no life there. There was no life skewing the attention. So then what they did, they put fertile eggs under the lamps. What happened? Well, what happened was, in a series of 6,506 trials, the lamp came on 3,416 times, whereas the chance expectation was 3,253. Now what does that tell you? It tells me that gratitude was skewing the result in the first result with the baby chickens, because they had a brain. They were interfering with the result with their brain, interfering with physics, being lucky. It tells me with the second result that what was going on was that nature it moves in the direction of life, and it skews physics to assist life. So luck can assist you too. It can assist you in life, so you don't need to worry too much about the physics of a situation where everything seems to be saying no. Luck will help you find a way to get through, if that is the intention, if that is the desire, and if that is also following a law of nature. Use the laws of nature to help you become lucky. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've gotten something out of it. This is Charles as usual. By the way, I've got an online course coming up. Look out for that. It's partly based on the works of it was basically based on the works of ancient Egypt. There were two sets of works in the early days of the New Thought. One was Schopenhauer's The World as Will and Representation, Willpower, but also ancient Egypt. All this self-help stuff, it comes from ancient Egypt. It fits perfectly in with my Ancient Mysteries channel, so I'll be releasing that in future. It will be a product, there will be a price tag attached, but have a look out for that. I'll be advertising that on my regular channel as well. Anyway guys, catch you later, see you next time with some more important information. Bye bye.